So welcome everybody. In this video I will show you how to edit your videos for TikTok or YouTube channel. Maybe your YouTube channel and Instagram, all those stuff. So and maybe you see some videos that has the subtitle and anything. Let me just show you an example. So let's say, let me show you an example. Alright, so like this video here, if you see it, you see it has, you see, so you see this guy, as he is talking, you see the subtitle is popping up and everything, whatever he says, you see the subtitle is there, and the video is well optimized for TikTok and YouTube. So let's go into the business. Alright, so all you have to do by now, assuming by now you have your video that you want to edit, all you have to do is, number one, you have to get this application, either CapCut or InShot. So for me here, or KineMaster. So you see this video here, let me show it for you. So you see either this one, CapCut, or or this one here, KineMaster. So these are the ones that will help you. I think the third one, I don't have the third one here. There is the third one there, which is InShot. You can search it on your Play Store and have it. So InShot. So let's open our app, which is this CapCut here. This CapCut. Alright. So enter CapCut. Alright. So you see, here are some recent work that I did. You see, here I don't have change. You see. So if you want to create new one, just click on this new project. Let me show you this new project here. Click on there. Let me click it. So you see, to show you some videos that I will just edit. So assuming now, let me use this video for it. So you see, as this video now, you see, although this video already has its own subtitle, so I think so you click on this video now here. Let me show you here. Just click on this tab here, and it will give you something like this. You see. So all you have to do is, now I want to remove his audio. I don't want his audio. Assuming you don't want his audio and you want to use your own voice. Alright, so just click on extract audio, and number one thing I want you to know is, you have to own your data, because this app uses your data for to extract much of its features. You have to use your data, so you own your data. As you can see now, it is extracting the voice. So you see now, I extract his voice alone. Let me play it. So if you like, you can remove this his voice and add your own. Let me delete the voice now. You see, as you can see now, he is just the one talking, but there is no audio. So all you have to do is record your own voice now. You can record your own voice, and if there is some places that you don't want, like this one here, if you click on it, and if you don't want this side where you see this part that is just introducing his channel, so all you have to do is you come back here to the first point where the video start and press this split. Let me show you. Press this split here, this split. So when you press on it, the video will cut. You see, now I can remove this one down to here, and I'll split it too. So if you like, you can delete this one, and you see now you match the audios. And if you like, you can add your own effects here. So let me look for an effect, so that, alright, so let me just use a random one like this one here, random effects. Alright, so I think, let me do one thing here. Let me do one thing here. Let me just let me add my own video here. You see, then just plus this add sign and you press the one you like. Let me add this one. So you see, as he is talking, you see, so you see the introduction. I insert the introduction now. Alright, so you see, alright, so anything you want, just edit it like that. And for the text, all you have to do is just click on there and put, let me say, you want to add text. Alright, so here is the text here. This text, click on it. I think, let me show you, you can see it. So this is the text sign here. Alright, let me show you the text. This text sign here, just click on it and click on add caption, original caption. You can just add the recording now and take any audio. Now let's say, let me just use this one. You see, so that is how you can add your own voice. So thank you. I don't want this video to be that long. Thank you very much.